Hey guys, it's Dr. Diaz again with Momentum Chiropractic and Rehab. So we have Tony, right? He's come in, reported a little bit of issues that he's having, some history of joint pain, knee pain. He's gone to other physicians and, you know, they just said maybe you have a little bit of arthritis. As you'll see on the video, we've done some testing. We do definitely have a positive Clark's test. We have some grinding in the knee. We have some pain behind the kneecap. So we're dealing more with condylation patella. We've already advised, you know, so the best joint lubricants, which we want to use is like fish oil, glucosamine chondroitin, using stuff like vitamin D3, so on and so forth. So we've given them a nice little chemistry lesson on D3 as well, right? So we talked a little bit about what he's needing and what we need for joint support and joint health. He's also reporting some pain, right? Some issue with muscles, tight muscles, pain in his muscles, right? So upon examination, we did some muscle testing. Everything seems to not point towards degenerative conditions or not point towards any nerve pinching, any hernias, disc bulges, so on and so forth. More towards fatigued muscle, tight muscle, so on and so forth. As we're palpating, we're having that reaction of the muscle that is absolutely identifying that that's what we're dealing with, is more trigger point soft tissue that just needs to be broken up. And of course we have bilateral rolled shoulders, so muscles are stretched. We eventually want to help strengthen that upper back to bring back to a better posture. Okay, so we talk about some of these things. We're gonna, right now we've done a little bit of soft tissue work. We've done some electronic stimulation, so you might look a little sleepy because he was laying down for about 12 minutes with some hot packs, getting nice and comfortable and relaxed. And now we're going to show you guys how we perform a chiropractic adjustment. So real quick, guys, like us on Facebook, like us on YouTube. If you can follow us, it'd be great help. You following us promotes videos to your friends. There's many friends on your timelines that need our help. That's how they get to us. Like I said, like and share stuff, comment, tag your friends. If you can't, right, you saw our videos as well? Mm-hmm. All right, that's kind of how, here he is. So if you can, let's have you set up right over here for adjustment. You stay right there. Right here, let me have you scoot about this forward on the chair. Just your low back, correct, and then relax your upper back right against the top of the chair here. Okay, I want you to just relax right in here, and we're gonna get some movement like we did, like you saw in those other videos here, okay? Here comes the giggle again, there it is. I thought I had them nice and relaxed there for a bit. Relax right here for me. I want you to relax right here, relax your head.
Oh my God.
Very good. You all right? Good?
Was that mine?
That was. You thought there was sound effects, huh?
Yeah.
You thought we had a little machine right here throwing some little sound effects. Not so. I don't know what we've done, 60 something, 70 videos or so.
Be 61, I think.
61 videos. Yeah, we probably had that maybe 40 times. Does that really make that noise? Well, does it make that noise?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. It's real. Relax right here. Same thing here. I want you to relax right here for me. Very good. Okay, cool. Now tell the audience, is that super painful?
No.
Very good. Feel pretty good?
Yeah, it does.
All right. Let's have you lay face down right there for me.
Okay.
It's actually ticklish. Look, he's laughing so much. We're going to use a little bit of lotion here, okay? We've already kind of warmed up a little bit of his muscles with some soft tissue work. I'm still going to work a little bit right up here. Guys, I don't remove the shirt because we're using lotion, and afterwards I need to adjust him so I get better traction when I keep the shirt on to perform the adjustment. Otherwise my hands will be slipping off my contact. I know it's kind of tender right here, huh? Mm-hmm. So one of the questions on the videos is like, why didn't they just take their shirt off? And that's kind of why I've practiced this type of strategy, and it's effective, right, Tony? You feel something going on in there?
Yeah.
These are the points that are bugging you, huh? That are making your life miserable. All right, relax right here for me. Good. Okay. Relax right here for me. Very good. Feel some movement in there, Tony?
Yeah.
Good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Good. Was that fake? No? Okay. Just checking. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Excellent. Let me have you lay on your side facing this way. We're getting some movement in there.
This way?
Yep, facing right over here, facing your right side. So you'll lay on your side. You'll bring that arm this way. You'll rest your head into that headrest right there. Right there. Your top leg, you're going to bend it like this. Bottom leg straight. There you go. Give me this arm right here. Go right here. Right there. Don't worry. It's a WWF move. You'll be set. Can we even say that on YouTube? Take a deep breath. All the way out. Very good. Lay facing the opposite way. It's a lucha libre move. Lay on your side facing this way. You're making the face like a WWF character that just got body slammed. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Right there. Right there. Relax right here. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Lay face up for me. Alright. What do you feel there?
Huh?
What do you feel? Are these adjustments painful?
No.
No? Alright. Relax here.
What's this?
Make you taller.
Okay, you can just do this all day.
Good. Relax right there for me. Alright. Scoot up towards me a little bit. Okay. Cool. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Excellent. Okay. I'm going to do a little bit of soft tissue work there on the neck, okay? On your muscles there. All right. Good. I'm going to let you catch your breath there a little bit. All right.
It smells like Vicks.
It is. It smells like Vicks. What it is called Sombra. So it has menthol. Has a little bit of capsaicin in it. You know what capsaicin is?
I don't know, citrus, orange.
It's the hot ingredient in chili peppers. So we put some.
No, that's not why it's green.
The what you're smelling too is it does have grapefruit and orange in it as well.
No, okay.
So it's a combination of all these natural pain relievers. Feel those trigger points there?
Yeah. Okay.
Tender?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the other side here. Work on this trap here. Now, I'll tell you what, tomorrow you're going to be pretty sore.
What?
You're going to be sore.
Why?
Well, you feel how these trigger points are really tender?
Yeah.
Right? What we're doing here is we're trying to smooth them out and get them to relax a little bit. So smoothing them out, you remember when you go to the gym for the first time?
Mm-hmm.
Your muscles kind of rip a little bit, then they got to heal. You feel like sore. You might feel a little bit of soreness. It shouldn't be as intense as going to the gym for the first time, but you'll feel a little bit of soreness, so I want you to drink lots of water. Let me have you rotate your neck to the left side. Come back. Rotate your neck to the left. Come back. Rotate to the left. Come back. Okay, we're going to rotate here. Rotate to the right. There you go. Good. Come back. Rotate to the right. Very good. Come back. Rotate to the right. Oof. Okay, let's try that one more time. I want you to rotate to the right. And hold it right there. It's going, it's going, it's going. Rotate, rotate, rotate. Good. How do those areas feel right now?
I don't know.
Don't know yet.
They're kind of like hot.
Hot, right. You'll know tomorrow. I'm going to help you up here. We're going to do a little bit more on your traps here, okay? So I'll help you sit up here.
My traps.
Yep, up here. So turn around facing that way. Okay. We're going to use a little bit more lotion.
I feel like I bathed in icy hot.
Just about did. Okay, so bring your your left arm out, extend it this way, and I want you to slowly take it forward without bending your elbow, like that. I'll tell you when to go, okay? Remember, you're gonna go pretty slow.
Mm-hmm.
Go. Come back out.
What is that?
That's the trigger point we're trying to break up there. Go. Come back out. Remember when I said we're going to get you better fast?
Yeah.
This is what it takes, brother. Go forward. Good. Okay, relax there. Use the other side. If you don't want to get better fast, don't come here. Because that actually might happen. Put your arms out to the side. Go forward. Good. Come back. Forward. Very good. Come back. And forward. Very good. Okay, relax there. Right here. I want you to rotate your head to the right. Come back. Rotate to the right. Come back. Start on the other side. Rotate to the left. Come back. Rotate to the left. Come back. All right. Good.